Okay guys, in this video I will teach you how to play Imagine, a beautiful song popularized by the Beatles. So okay, let's start. I will do it in the simplest way so you could play this beautiful song. So it is played in C major chord. Okay, so here goes the intro. The first part is the intro part. So here's the C octave here. Okay, I play it in the lower, and here the first, lower, and the second. Okay, so while here's the C chord, but I will just play these two, the E and the G. Okay, so E, G. Oh, I put this, my thumb and my first finger here. Okay, so here it goes. While I like this, like that. So here it goes. So after 3, 1, 2, 3, the fourth, I will add this B. So here, so E, G, and the B. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then I will change from C to F, and then I will move this here like this. We have note, so this, because it is the F, right? Here's the F, so there, octave F on the left, on my left hand. So but I will just use this, okay, just like the C major chord that I have done like this. Okay, so again, four, and then move to F. So I'll do it again like that. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, then change chord to F, only these two, not this, and then follows 1, 2. The third pass is this chromatic, so A sharp, and B. Okay, so A, like that. So again, so up so 3, press 3, F and the A together, and then 1, like this, 1, 2, 3, and then followed by that A sharp, and the B again, and then back to C here like this. Okay, so it is a continuous, the intro and the verse part is the same. Okay, so again, I will repeat it. Imagine there's no heaven. And that's the verse part. So imagine there's no heaven. If you try. There. There. The last part of the verse, no need to do this, no, don't do that anymore. So above us only sky. No, don't put that, because the it will follow by the bridge. Imagine all the people. So the chords is F, A minor, D minor, C, and G. So here. So we put here the F. Imagine A minor. So F. Imagine all the people. D minor, C, then living for the day. Okay, so G, living for the day. G7. We just move here one whole note lower. So living for the G, we'll put 2F so that it will become G7. Okay, living for today. You can add the melody. Okay, so E, G, E, D, C. Okay, but you can put it or you just go with the chords. Okay, so back to the verse. Imagine there's no countries. So that's the second verse. So we go to the chorus part. Okay, so the chorus part is, you may say I'm a dreamer. That is, so F, G, C, and E. Okay, so you may say G, so F, you may say I'm a dreamer, C. Okay, so this is C, the second octave, second inversion of C. This is the first inversion. This is the second inversion. Right, second inversion, the third inversion rather. Okay, so using the third inversion. So you may say I'm a dreamer. Okay, and you can use the first inversion or the second inversion. It's up to you. But I'm using the third inversion of the C here while I octave here. So you may say I'm a dreamer, C, and then followed by E. Now you can D, E. Okay, this is the second inversion of E. You can add the E, can add a 7 there. Here, put a D. Okay, or you can go with E. Okay, you can put the E7, just add the D, it will become the E7 chord. Okay, so again, you may say I'm a dreamer, E7, again, but I'm not the only one. E7, again, F, I hope someday, G, you join us, C, and then the E7. I'm doing here the E, F, and the words, G again. We'll live as one. Okay, so there's no E anymore on the last part. No. And the world will be as one. Okay, so repeat again the chorus part. Okay, it goes at 3 times F, G, C, E, 7, F, G, C, E, 7, F, G, E, C, E7, and then F, G, C. Okay, so you may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you join us, and the world will be as one. Okay, so that's it. So hope you enjoyed the song, the song by the Beatles, Imagine. So that's it. So practice, and I hope that you learned from it. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. God bless.